service department. This is Emmanuel speaking. How may I help you?
Yes, I would like to order something for my breakfast.
Sure, sir. Could you tell me your name and room number, sir?
Yeah, sure. I'm Brent and my room number was room 204.
I see. What would you like to order, sir?
Yes, I would like to have a grilled cheese as my breakfast.
Sure, sir. Would you like to add something?
Yeah, also a small lemon juice would be nice.
Sure. Is that all, sir, Brent?
Yes, precisely.
Okay, sir Ben. I'll repeat your order. You ordered grilled cheese sandwich with an additional of small lemon juice. Your order will be served in about 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, where's the grilled cheese?
Here's the grilled cheese.
Where's the small lemon juice?
Here's the small lemon juice.
Okay, very good.
Room service for Sir Ben on room 204. Here's your grilled sandwich and small lemon juice.
Okay, thank you.
Here's your bill, sir. Here is where you need to put your signature. Thank you, sir. I'll be back in an hour for collecting your bill. Once again, thank you, sir.
Alright, thank you.